friends, welcome back to Sophie's Playday. Today I'll be showing you how to make a face mask like this with a filter pocket, and I will show you how to make your own filter at home using shop towels. So here are the supplies you'll be needing. You'll be needing a pair of scissors, a ruler, any type of stretchy band. This is the only one I have at home. All the elastic that I would try to order online have been sold out, so this is what I found in the house. You'll be needing some pins, either a small one, paper clip, whatever works for you to hold the fabric together. You also need a sewing needle and some thread. We are going to sew this by hand. No sewing machine is required for this project. And you'll be needing a piece of fabric. And then to make the filters, I'll be using this shop towel. This is very durable. The paper towel is very thick than your usual paper towel. It looks something like this. I'm going to be folding this in half. You can either use 2 layers or 4 layers, 2 of these, fold in half. Or if you don't have this, you are welcome to use paper towel at home. Just use more layers if you feel like you need to. Here is my fabric that I already pre-cut. You need 23 centimeters this way and 36 centimeters this way. So this is the right side up. I'm gonna flip it over. Okay. This is the dull side of the print. Fold it in half. Turn around this way. I'm going to sew in about 7 centimeters this way in and 7 centimeters this way in, and have this open so that we can have an opening for the filter later. So next you need to cut your elastic about 17 centimeters long. You need 2 of those. Now I'm going to sew the elastic in, but I'm going to sew it like this. So you're going to put the ends, and then the loop will be on the inside here. Now that both sides are sewn, this part here I'm going to show you is going to be optional. This is going to be where you can adjust the nose area. I have these wires. These are floral wires. Since this wire was pretty thin, I put 2 wires together and I twisted it. So where I twisted, that's where I'm going to poke my needle in so that it stays in place. Now that I'm done, you can see now I can really bend this area. It keeps the shape. Okay, now I'm gonna flip this inside out. So if you sew the string in straight, when you flip it inside out, the string should be out here. And this part where I sewed in the wires, this is going to be the top part, so that's where your nose is. Now we gotta add pleats to this. It's pretty easy. We're gonna add 3 pleats. Start from the top, take a little bit like this, and then fold a little crease and then push down. And that's our first pleat. Okay, the second pleat from this line, pick this up, fold it a little bit, then pinch, push down. Okay, and now the last pleat down here, pinch this together and then push down. And now we have it pleated. I'm going to stitch a straight line here and a straight line here. And the mask is done. We have the elastic on and the pleats on. Flip it the other side. Here is the pocket so that you can put in the filters. And then these right here, these paper towels, these shop towels, I'm going to make a filter inside so you guys will have another protective layer. To get started with this one, we don't have to do so much like we did here. We're just going to pleat them and then sew the lines down here. So I'll use this as reference, and to make it fit, I want to cut about to there and maybe to here. So we're going to take this off. Now we're going to do the pleats just like what we did here. So I just thought about it right now. Instead of stitching, I'm going to use a glue gun to glue this, because this filter here you can only use once. So just put a little dab of glue here and push down. This is quick and easy. You don't have to waste a lot of effort in this part. Now that it's all glued together, I'm going to place it inside my mask. And that's the mask. Simple, easy to do. And there's a pocket for the filter, and you can use shop towels for the filter inside or paper towels. The more you put in, the better protection that you get. Well, I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to Sophie's Playday down below. Alright friends, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!